5 things that you need to know about an emergency roof repair. Coming up next.
Number 1. Identifying the problem. Before attempting any roof repair, it is essential to identify the cause of the problem. This will help you determine the right approach to fix the issue. Some common causes of emergency roof repairs include storms, fallen trees, and animals. Number 2. Safety first. When dealing with a roof repair, it is crucial to prioritize safety. Make sure the area is secure and free from any hazards. Wear protective gear such as sturdy boots, gloves, and safety glasses. Number 3. Temporary measures. In an emergency situation, it may not be possible to fully repair the roof immediately. Temporary measures can be taken to prevent further damage, such as covering the damaged area with a tarp or using roof cement to seal leaks. Number 4. Contact your insurance company. If your roof has been damaged due to a storm, you should contact your insurance company immediately. They may be able to cover the cost of repairs depending on your policy. Number 5. Hire a professional. While temporary measures may help in the short term, it is crucial to hire a professional roofing contractor to fix the problem properly. A professional can ensure that the repair is done correctly and will last. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this.